We at Comstock are so excited to be the first middle school campus to experience this brand new Dallas ISD Career Exploration Mobile Lab.
The mobile lab is really like a time machine to a brighter future. This is a vehicle where you're going to find what interests you, explore a future career, and most importantly, I think, is to find your passion.
Through this experience, our students gain exposure to all programs of study available in Dallas ISD high schools, career institutes, magnet programs, P-Tech pathways, and early college options.
Being in a position in 8th grade to have to pick a pathway that you're really having to stick to is far too early if you haven't been exposed to those career opportunities.
Middle school has prepared me by helping me build important skills like teamwork, responsibility, and problem-solving skills I need in any career. I'm excited to work in the lab because it gives us hands-on experience and a chance to practice real skills that we can use in the future. After high school, I plan to pursue a degree in business so I can eventually open up my own salon.
We want kids to come away from this experience fired up, asking questions about how they get more opportunities like this.
In short, what we have done here is bold work. It takes a bold vision, bold investment, and bold execution. And that is how we drive post-secondary success for our students.
On behalf of the Dallas Education Foundation, I just want to say thank you for allowing us to support the district in this important work, and to the Moody Foundation for making it possible. It's an opportunity for students to explore, discover, and imagine what their futures look like.
On behalf of the Moody Foundation trustees, it is truly just such an honor to collaborate with you in this work.
I want to especially thank the Moody Foundation for their incredible generosity.
Thank you to the Dallas Education Foundation and the Moody Foundation.
Thank you, Moody Foundation.